How to log in into Verizon Employee Login Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Verizon Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser and simply search for Verizon Employee Login. After you do that, there you'll find different websites available. Just go to the first one. After you're there, it can take some time to load, but let it load. And after it loads, you'll get an option to type in your email address and password. So yeah, you can then type in your email address. In this case, there is the last name option. So type in your last name here and then enter your user ID. After you do that, tap on continue. So let me do that. And just type in your username. And after you tap on continue, you can then be proceeded with your password. So type in your password and then you'll get logged in. And it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.